Cube Construction Engineering Limited of Vadodara's industrial upliftment and a rising star, an iconic symbol in association with Mamta Shah and Associates, is in verge of making an iconic futuristic design of GSRTC in Vadodara. GSRTC, a state-of-art conception in its own way and a complete makeover of the central bus station, makes the city all the more boom in its development of business hub. Come, let's have a walk in the new adventure of GSRTC. Keeping in provision of more than 20 buses and a huge driveway in front of the building keeps a better position for all the private vehicles for an easy drive-in. The design of this building has been made keeping in mind the concept of Vad, the tree, and thus the origin of word. Vadodara stands on its own way, showing the culture and grandeur of the city. Ample car parking facility in the basement with ease and smooth driving lanes for pickup and drops makes this space all the more connected. Be assured of the availability of local rickshaws and vehicles amidst the greeneries of the area. Well, can you count the numbers? Keeping in mind with the Vadodara's cosmopolitan culture and the mindset of the people, we have designed to give the best to you. Watch out for the space, the building, its construction and structure, that the food courts where you can all eat and chat. The bus entry has been made so spacious and carefully designed with clear pathway of their arrival and departure. No hustle and no bustle of the buses. It is made in the right approach with an accurate and proper flow of the vehicles. And to kill your time while waiting, you can even do window shopping, which is just 2 steps away, and get your bags filled with your desired items. Shop out the favorite items for your dear ones. All the buses have their individual routes and predefined lanes for waiting and are lined up accordingly. Therefore, take up your bags and baggage. Get your tickets and jump onto your seats. Be ready for departure. This terminal project is a structure of its own, taking into mind the mentality of the citizens of Vadodara, their likes and dislikes, their choices, and also how all their small dreams come true. We have tried our best to give the greatest and finest bus terminal ever in India and specially designed for all levels of the people. Long-awaited project that has been conceptualized and brought to reality by Cube. Find out your necessities and missed out items for traveling in the big food marts across here. And when tired, relax out in these small green spaces in the arrival bay. Take a breath and move on to the central bus station. Welcome to the Vadodara Central Bus Station, unique by its own creation and specially designed to give the best to the citizens of Vadodara. Walk in with your luggage and the central bus terminal and feel like heaven. Go for the tourist information made in the modern style and catch up with the tickets in the most modern way with a sufficient counter. Go for e-ticketing and happy ticketing. Take the pleasure of have a cup of a coffee or a can of a soft drink with some snacks and move in the way of departure. Wow! We wish to give you a comfortable journey and thus we gave you this relaxed environment in the boarding Concord. The waiting lounge is fully equipped with all sorts of modern facilities and a clear indication of talking the right bus in the right plan. And when the waiting is too long, pamper yourself in this fantastic canteen and restaurant with different styles of Indian foods, walking through an artistic curvature of the roads within the lush green landscape. Get the best of Indian, Mughalai or even Chinese dishes out here and make a bon appetit. Enjoy the beautiful waiting lounge with food and some shopping in the most modern way. Public address system is made available for any emergency. Your bus is on the right lane, so look at it, watch it and get into it. Watch out for the signboard spread all over for your assistance and help. We have also kept AC waiting rooms and dormitories for your comfort and relaxation. It is fascinating to know that we have 300 shops in our commercial building, which is connected with the bus terminal. You have the luxury of getting a variety of your choices. Amidst the shop, we give you the access to the parking area where it's easy for you to shop and get into your private vehicle.